What's up, guys? Let's make our own digestive biscuits. Before we get started, let me welcome you to my channel. Please do well to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. For this recipe, I'm just going to need some oats, cold margarine, some powdered sugar, baking powder, and vanilla. So I'm going to blend my oats. I'm just going to blend it coarsely. I don't want it too fine. I want to feel that oats feeling in the my biscuits when just like the old digestive. So as you can see, it's not perfectly blended, it's just coarsely blended. So I'm going ahead to pour it into a container, and in a large mixing bowl I'm just going to add my blended oats, and then into this I'm going to add about 5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You can add more if you want more, but then I just used about 5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. I'm going to add about a half teaspoon of baking powder, going to give this a little stir, and then I'm going to add about a quarter cup of cold margarine. Do not be like me, guys, grate your margarine, because it was so difficult for me to mix it like this, but then eventually I was able to do it. But I would advise you to grate it, it will become easier for you to mix it. So after mixing it for some time, this is what we have. It's perfect. I can see the digestive forming already. I'm going ahead to add about 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk. You can use any other milk that you have. I just had evaporated milk, that's why I used it. So I'm just going ahead to mix everything together till a dough is formed. And now that the dough is perfectly formed, I'm just going ahead to bring it out and then start working on it. The best way is to put your dough in between 2 baking papers, but as you can see, I was short of baking paper, so let's improvise, guys. I'm just going to dust my working area with a little bit of flour, and then dust my dough with a little bit of flour, and then go ahead with my rolling pin to straighten it and then make everything flat. Work on it. I'm so sorry for the shaky video, guys, but yeah. So I'm just going to thinly roll it so that I can have the perfect digestive shape. You guys are the best. I want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. You guys are really the best. Thank you so much. I mean, I can't thank you guys enough. God bless you. So I'm just going ahead to cut my dough into cookie size. So I'm just using a round cookie cutter to cut my dough, and then this is what we have. I'll just go ahead with the residue, repeat the same process for the residue, and then voila, our digestive will be ready to be baked. Anyways, guys, I have an interesting video coming up. By the time this video goes up the following week, I have an interesting video coming up, so please stay tuned. You're going to see my face. It's a sit down video. I'm so excited for you guys to see that video. Like, I'm pumped for that video. Anyway, so this is what we have. Just like the normal digestive, you see it has some holes in them, so I'm just going ahead with my toothpick to punch some holes into this, and then this will go into a preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or if you want your biscuit a little brown, you can leave it for 30 minutes. And after that, our digestive biscuit came out so nice. Look at that perfectly baked digestive biscuit. It's easy and it's delicious. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me at the end of the video. Please do want to bake your own digestive, because things are expensive. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.